Welcome to our channel, dedicated to exploring the latest advancements in auditory technology. Today, we're excited to present a detailed overview of the Audien Hearing Aids Atom Pro. If you're someone seeking a solution to enhance your hearing experience, you're in for a treat. Join us as we dive into the features, benefits, and performance of the Audien Hearing Aids Atom Pro. Hearing aids have transformed the lives of individuals with hearing loss, offering improved communication and enhanced quality of life. The Audien Hearing Aids Atom Pro is designed to deliver advanced hearing assistance in a discreet and efficient manner. In this video, we'll explore its key features, innovative technologies, and user experience. Let's begin by highlighting some of the key features that set the Audien Hearing Aids Atom Pro apart. Advanced sound processing. The Atom Pro utilizes cutting-edge sound processing technology to provide clear and natural sound. It's engineered to amplify speech while reducing background noise, ensuring a seamless listening experience. Discreet design. These hearing aids are designed to be virtually invisible when worn. Their sleek and discreet design ensures that you can enjoy improved hearing without drawing unnecessary attention. Customizable modes. The Atom Pro offers different listening modes tailored to various environments. Whether you're in a quiet room, a noisy restaurant, or a crowded event, you can select the appropriate mode for optimal hearing. Smartphone connectivity. With smartphone connectivity, the Atom Pro allows you to adjust settings and control your hearing aids directly from your mobile device. This feature adds convenience and personalization to your experience. Long battery life. The Atom Pro boasts an impressive battery life, allowing you to enjoy enhanced hearing throughout your day without frequent recharging. Now, let's discuss the benefits of using the Audien Hearing Aids Atom Pro. Improved communication. The Atom Pro enhances your ability to hear speech clearly, enabling better communication with loved ones, colleagues, and friends. Enhanced quality of life. By providing a natural and immersive listening experience, these hearing aids contribute to an improved overall quality of life. Personalized comfort. The customizable modes and smartphone connectivity allow you to tailor your hearing experience to different situations, ensuring comfort and clarity. Discreet solution. The discreet design of the Atom Pro ensures that you can enjoy improved hearing without anyone noticing. To provide you with a comprehensive overview, we'll delve into the user experience of the Audien Hearing Aids Atom Pro. We'll discuss how to set up and personalize the hearing aids, as well as share insights from individuals who have benefited from their use. In conclusion, the Audien Hearing Aids Atom Pro offers an advanced and discreet solution for individuals seeking improved hearing. Its innovative features, customization options, and user-friendly experience make it a standout choice in the world of auditory technology. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of the Audien Hearing Aids Atom Pro. If you found this video informative, please consider giving it a thumbs up, subscribing to our channel for more auditory tech insights, and sharing it with those who may benefit from enhanced hearing. Stay tuned for more updates on the Audien Hearing Aids Atom Pro.